Hello and welcome. I am Ashish, and in this video I am going to discuss Viviani theorem. ये थ्योरम बेसिकली इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल के एक बहुत ही सिंपल प्रॉपर्टी को शो करता है। इस थ्योरम का नाम विंसेंजो विवियानी के नाम पे पड़ा, जो कि एक इटालियन मैथमेटिशियन थे और इंटरेस्टिंगली वो गैलीलियो द ग्रेट गैलीलियो के स्टूडेंट भी थे। सो व्हाट दिस थ्योरम इज़ ऑल अबाउट। सो पहले मैं इस थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट देख लेते हैं हम लोग, और उसके बाद प्रूफ देखेंगे और फिर एक क्वेश्चन भी लूँगा मैं इस पर। सो दिस थ्योरम स्टेट्स बेसिकली that in any equilateral triangle, sum of altitude from any point inside the triangle is equal to altitude from vertex of the triangle. Now, what this looks like in diagram wise. So let's take a triangle here. This is a triangle ABC, and there is some point which is inside this triangle. So this red color point is inside the triangle, and it can be anywhere. So it can be here, 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 or here. It can be anywhere. It is you can think like it is a moving point. ये move कर रहा है, but ये हमेशा triangle के inside में ही रहेगा। तो विवियन थ्योरम कहता है कि if we draw perpendicular from this point on these sides. So what this mean? So ये point है. What we are drawing perpendicular from this point on this side. So this is kind of first perpendicular. This is the second perpendicular. This is also called altitude on these sides from this point. Okay. And ये तीसरा परपेंडिकुलर हो गया. लेट्स से देयर लेंथ्स आर x, y and g. So Viviani theorem states that the sum of these altitude, sum means x plus y plus z, so this sum will be equal to the altitude from any vertex of the equilateral triangle. So let's say draw altitude from C on AB. So this is the altitude h. So this x plus y plus z will be equal to h according to Viviani theorem. So very simple property and very obvious also. Like if I add x, y and j, I will get h. We can kind of prove this theorem also by animation. So see here. Let's say this point P, or any point, you can name it any point. This point, the inside point, is moving towards C. Okay, so let's play this. So this inside point is moving towards C. So what is happening here? What is happening? Can you see the two lengths are shrinking? The two altitudes on BC and AC, they are shrinking, they are tending to 0. So we can say that here this x and y, z, and this is h. So this x, y are tending to 0, वो 0 हो रहे हैं, and at the same time z is becoming h. So we have kind of validated this theorem already, but we need proof. Without proof, maybe this animation is doesn't work. So we need a proof. So how to prove this theorem then? See this diagram here. X, Y, Z. I gave some point. I gave some name to the points like A, B, C. The foot of altitudes from point P on BC is D. On AC is E, and on AB it is F, and the lengths are x, y, z. Height, altitude of the main triangle is h. Now we have to do some construction to prove this theorem, and this is one of the proof. There are many proofs, but I am discussing one of them. So the construction is join this point to all the vertices. So point P join AP. So this AP is, then join P and B. So this is line segment BP, and then join P and C. Now why we are joining this point P, inside point, to the vertices? To make three triangles here, because now we got three triangles, APC, APB and BPC. Right? Can you see that those triangles? I think now you can see. So these are the three triangles that we got after joining. Just name them. So this is A, B and C, D, E, F, and we have three triangles. Now we can say here that the area of this three triangle, namely ABP, BPC and APC, the area in तीनों triangle का area क्या होगा? The area of the bigger triangle, the main equilateral triangle. So using this concept, I am trying to prove this theorem. So let's minimize this figure. Point P and the length square x, y, z, and this main altitude of the triangle is h. So what I said, the area of the three smaller triangles will be equal to, the sum of the area of three smaller triangle will be equal to the area of the main triangle. So write down here, area of triangle ABP plus area of triangle BCP plus area of triangle ACP is equal to area of the bigger triangle ABC. So for writing area of triangle ABP, we need base and height. So since this is an equilateral triangle, we can take all sides are equal. So let's say side are A. So 1 by 2 area of ABP, this yellow color triangle, 1 by 2 base into height, A into Z. And then area of BCP, similarly 1 by 2 A into X. And area of ACP, 1 by 2 A into Y. And the area of the main triangle ABC will be 1 by 2, base is A and height is H. A by 2 is common, so A by 2 we can take that out, then X plus Y plus Z is equal to A by 2 times H. Okay, now we can cancel A by 2, it is on both the side, and here we got our Viviani theorem. This is the proof of Viviani theorem. So the concept used in proving this theorem is कि ट्रायंगल को तीन हमने स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल में डिवाइड कर दिया. How I divided the triangle into three? By joining the inside point to the vertices, then we got three triangle, and then the area of those three triangle, the sum of the areas of those three triangle is equal to the area of main triangle. Now using this concept, we can do one question also. So see this question. Question is ABCD is a square, and there is one point E which is inside ABD triangle, and distance of E from the two sides of the square are 3 and 1 unit, and from the diagonal is 3 root 2 unit. We have to find area of a square. for finding area of a square, we need side, right? Side square is the area of a square. So things given are, this is 3, this is 1, and this is 3 root 2. So what I will do, I'm seeing a triangle here. That triangle is ABD, right? ये एक triangle है और E is the point inside triangle ABD. So we can use the same concept. If I join E to the vertices of this triangle ABD, I will get 3 triangle, and then I will sum the areas of those 3 triangles to get the area of ABD. So join E to the vertices. So this we have 3 areas. This is the first part, right? This is the second one, and we have the third area, this one. So area of these 3 triangle is equal to area of ABD triangle. So what is blue colored area? 1 by 2. Okay, base is the side of a square, and let's say side is A. So 1 by 2 A into 3 unit plus, now we can write green color area. That green color region has area 1 by 2 A times 1, and this yellow colored area 1 by 2 times. Okay, what is the base here? What is BD length? So if I assume side as A, then by Pythagoras theorem this must be root 2A, right? Because BD square is AB square plus AD square, right? So AB square is A square plus A square, 2A square, and when you take root, BD is equal to root 2A. So we can write here root 2A times 3 root 2, and this, the sum of these 3 area must be equal to the area of ABD, 1 by 2 A into A. Now we can solve this equation to get our result. So 1 by 2, first cancel this 1 by 2 because it is present with each term. You can also cancel A term, which is here, 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 and here. So what is left over? 3 plus 1, and then 3 root 2 into root 2 is 6, and here A. So we got side is 10. So area of the square is 10 square. It is 100 square unit. Now the point to note here in this question, we can't use Viviani theorem. हम use नहीं कर सकते हैं. Why? Because the triangles here are not equilateral triangle. Viviani theorem is valid only in equilateral triangle. But we can use the concept to solve this question. What was the concept to derive Viviani theorem? The area of, again I am saying, the area of 3 triangle is equal to area of the main triangle. So that's all. Thank you for watching.